Now that your Wix Influencer Media Kit is live, the next step is sharing it with the right people, brands and agencies who are looking for collaborators just like you. In this video, we'll show you the best ways to share your Media Kit link and make a strong impression. Start by adding your Media Kit link to your social media bios. Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and even LinkedIn allow you to share a website link. This makes it easy for brands checking out your profile to instantly learn more about your work and your stats. Next, add your Media Kit link to your email signature. Whether you're pitching to brands or just networking, every email becomes an opportunity for someone to explore your professional site. Next, when reaching out to brands or agencies, include your Media Kit link in your pitch emails. Instead of attaching bulky PDFs, a live Wix site looks polished, easy to update, and accessible on any device. Moving on, many collaboration platforms and influencer marketplaces ask for portfolio links. Use your Media Kit site as your official portfolio. It's a one-stop destination that highlights your bio, stats, and previous work. Whenever you attend events or engage in online networking, don't forget to share your link. You can also even create a custom QR code with your site's URL and add it to your business card or social posts for quick access. And that's how you can share your Wix Influencer Media Kit with brands and agencies. By making your link easy to find and strategically sharing it in your emails, profiles, and pitches, you'll increase your chances of landing exciting collaborations. In the next video, we'll explore some tips for keeping your Media Kit updated so it always reflects your latest achievements. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss the next step. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.